everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Brittany. So in today's video guys, I have 5 amazing homes to show you guys, and if you know I'm back on camera, you know it has to be good. Now for these homes guys, do not sleep on them, do not delay. Reach out to the realtors because I'm showing you guys some really good homes in today's video, like well maintained homes that will go quickly because they are reasonably priced. So without further ado guys, let's jump right into the video. The first home I want to show you guys is this one, listed for 15 million Jamaican dollars, or US $97,460, or 74,657 pounds. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house located in Innswood Village in Dove Place, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. This house sits on a 3,568 square feet lot, and you guys, you know what? A few days ago, well, like 2 weeks ago, I'm not gonna lie, I was sitting on some videos. I should have posted them a long time ago, but there's this new scheme in the Innswood area, but those homes were going for $18 million. Same 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom with the same look like this. You probably, just a little bit more modern and updated and, better features. But for this one to be priced at $15 million, I think it's a really good deal. I like how the house, like this one just seems more homey than those other ones, and like you just have this nice yard space. So I think, and those ones actually like are almost sold out, if not all sold out. I'll still check back for you guys, but I think this one is a really good one to start with. It's a really great starter home. So if you're interested in this one guys, you're going to call Cheistopher Ellis at 876-480-5331. You can also email him at christopher@cavendishrealtyjm.com. And guys, I'll have all of this in the description box down below. Alright, let's jump into the next home. When I first saw this home and the price and how much you're getting, I just said, you know what? Really, that don't waste time. They are ton of waste time, because guys, look at this. 13.5 million Jamaican dollars, or US $87,714, or 67,191 pounds for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Mineral Heights, Maypen, Clarendon. This house sits on a lot size of 3,173 square feet. Just take a look at this veranda porch area. Let's take a look inside. Lovely home. You so see more. Well, just wait. This lovely kitchen area. We even have a little breakfast nook area right there. Upper and lower cabinetry. Lots of space in your kitchen to just move around. Space for all your appliances. Unlike Kingston. But no, me there ton of waste time. You know what I could get for 13.5 million in Kingston? Nothing at all. Nothing. So let's take a look. So as you can see here, you have this lovely house here in Clarendon, as I said before. 3 bedrooms. As you can see, the bedrooms are decently sized, can hold like queen size furniture, along with like dressers, side tables, just adequate space. As you can see, a decently sized home, good for a small family. All right, and there's another bedroom that seems to be the master, because it's even bigger than the other ones. This is a great one for a small family, or even persons who may wish to return to Jamaica, like returning residents. Like a nice home with closet areas like built in. Jeez, what do we have to do to get something like this in Kingston at this price? Okay, so your bathrooms are going to need some renovations. Definitely. Bathrooms are quite outdated. All right, you're gonna need some renovations. I would go in and change out those vanities. The pedestals gotta go. Can put in like some nice vanities, and the shower, that shower with the design here is quite outdated. But for $13.5 million, you definitely could just budget like some renovation and get it up to scratch, up to how you like it. So if you're interested in this one, guys, you're going to reach out to Marsha Wright at 876-999-4060. That's 876-999-4060, or email her at marsha@kellerwilliamsjamaica.com. All the information will be in the description box down below in case you didn't catch all that. All right. Let's jump over to the parish that I love to hate, but hate that I love. This is a lovely studio apartment going for 16.5 million Jamaican dollars, or US $107,206, or 82,122 pounds. Now, this studio apartment would make a great starter home for young persons. It would also make a good investment property for persons wish to rent this one out, right? Or to just expand on their real estate portfolio and their investments. This would be a good one to have too. It's located on Vermont Avenue in the Kingston 19 area, so that's going to take you close to like the Havendale area. And as you know, you guys may know, like that's going to be close to quite a few shopping areas, schools. You have Price Mart not too far away, everything. Constant Spring Road not too far away, Red Hills area pretty close by. All right, that's Kingston 19. So it's a good like community feel in that area. Yeah, that area has a really nice like community feel. Like that's one of those areas in Kingston you're like, yeah, I'd raise my kids there. So what I like about this apartment complex though, it seems well maintained, because there's this trend in these Kingston apartments. They start off so good and then they just get run down. But this one seems to be well maintained, and I like the doors. I know that's odd, but I like the doors. The doors just feel homey to me. I like how they look nice and grand. Tell me in the comments, are you guys feeling the doors? Because I really like these doors for some reason. Well, let's take a look inside of the studio. So as you can see, you have some nice cabinets, these lovely kitchen built-ins, upper and lower cabinetry, right? You do have the seat. Is that granite or tile? It looks like granite on the countertop, and then these nice tiles going around, these nice wall tiles. Could be different, but nonetheless, this is this is a spacious studio. I think this is what they would call like a super studio or something like that, but this is a spacious studio. As you can see, the upper cabinet, you have a little pantry area right there, and the bedroom area. This could hold a king size bed. It could even hold a little couch over that side, so if you want to like mount your TV or something instead, like you can do quite a lot with this. It's a space. It's not a bad studio. I've seen like more congested studios where I'm like, yeah, no, absolutely not. But this studio seems quite spacious, quite open and airy, and you have a lot of space to walk around and decorate and do all what you want to do. So here is the laundry area, which is really good, and it seems also, as I said, like well kept, well maintained. I like the look of this apartment complex. I like how they have like maintained it and just kept it in good condition, and I just like this. I don't know, I like the doors, I like the windows, I just like it. I like the green areas. So tell me guys what you think in the comments. Like, do you like this one? I do. You're going to reach out to Marsha, again, same Marsha, right, at 876-999-4060. Again guys, everything will be in the description box down below. 16.5 million Jamaican dollars for studio, Vermont Avenue, Kingston 19. So this one here is another property I want to show you guys, also listed for 16.5 million Jamaican dollars. But as you know, in a different parish, that gets you a bit more. So this one is located on Mahogany Way, and this is the Cedar Court apartment in Cedar Grove, Gregory Park, Portmore, St. Catherine. And this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment located on the first floor, not the ground floor, the first floor. All right, and yeah, lots of persons always ask me about Gregory Park, Portmore, Greater Portmore. I get so many questions every day. It's Portmore, 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 Portmore. Gregory Park, Gregory Park, Greater Portmore. These for three E's here, there. I don't even know Portmore so well, but you guys have requested it, so I am showing it to you guys. So again, this one is on the first floor. You're going to have this property has been renovated recently. All right, the cabinet them still look a bit outdated, so maybe that's not where the renovations went. But it's quite workable. Like, it's not bad at all. As you can see how this little, like, I believe this is where you would have the in-unit laundry area. All right, they said they have a water tank. The complex has an electronic gate with CCTV surveillance, and as you could see from the parking lot a while ago, ample parking space. Here's your bathroom, pretty typical, and just the basic white bathroom. So I would probably spend, some money and just renovate that, fix that up, make that a little bit more homey. Like, that's probably what I would tackle first, that and the kitchen cabinets. But as I said, you guys, I'm sorry, here is the wash area. It's not in bad condition at all. You can take your time and renovate this one, or you can just work with it as it is. It's not bad. I would definitely do some renovations, make it a bit more modern. But again, as I said, not bad at all. So if you're interested in this one, guys, I will leave the link down in the description box down below. 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom. It would be great for like a small family or a professional, young professional. So I hope everyone who was asking about Gregory Park and Portmore, I hope you guys were listening to this one. Again, I'll leave the link in the description box below where you or your realtor can reach out and schedule a viewing to do this one. Alright guys, and that's the last home that I have to show you guys today. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Subscribe to the channel. You guys have been watching these videos. Don't lie to yourself. You've been watching, you've been liking, and you've been watching to the end. So why not subscribe? Share this video, share it on your Facebook, share it in your WhatsApp groups, share it on your Instagram. Follow us on Instagram at Safe Haven. Follow us on TikTok at Safe Haven. Big up the TikTok family, of course. And until my next video, guys, bye.